I I I helped coach wrestling practice, so it was like it wasn't a great workout, but it was like it was got the heart rate going a little bit. I was felt like Cosmo Kramer just throwing a bunch of little kids around.
I was gonna say, did you beat him, Matt? Did you just kick the shit out of him?
Well, I
Matt
did
starts
try to.
losing, and that's when the belt comes out.
Oh fuck yeah! That's when I cracked the old knuckles and like, yeah, now little man.
The thing about Matt is he physically beats him and also tells him that's about Santa.
See, kid, you just got to look out for the truck coming your way.